Hey guys, whoo, we are busy today. Trust me, I've had spoilers coming out left and right, and time I get a video done, another one comes out. So this is spoilers for the June Boxyluxe box. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the first two that we already know about. Now this is probably variation products, both of these, because we know we're going to be getting a Dr. Brandt product, but it could either be the Clean Biotic Yogurt Cleanser or it could be the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refining Primer. Now, either one of those products is fine with me, but these most likely will be two variations. Now, for the newest spoilers, it's going to be the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 Bliss or the Tarte Palette Pro Glow Blush and Cheek Palette. Now, I didn't know that there was a difference in these two, and I'm not exactly sure if there is, if this is two different palettes or what, but I'll show you the screenshots that I've got. It looks like a very beautiful palette, so I'm kind of glad that they put that in there. Now, I do have the Tarte, the highlight palette, and I absolutely love that. I use it almost every day. So this one is a really good addition to anybody's collection right here. But these are the newest spoilers right here, guys. Now, remember that Boxyluxe is the upgraded box, so it's only out every 3 months, and it's $49.99 every box that you get. And it will come with over double the amount of items that the regular Boxycharm gets in it. And of course, it's supposed to be all luxury items. They're all full-sized, and the box is worth over $300 in value. So I think it's a really good, amazing deal, and I love this upgraded option. So as always, Boxycharm will be linked below if you want to go check them out. That option is there for you to go do so. And don't forget to hit the like button. It shows YouTube that you're enjoying these videos. And also subscribe to my channel, become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you guys. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.